As we proceed to our very fourth episode, I'm Marge and I will be your host for today. We are joined by our dearest guest.
Hello guys, I'm Christine.
Hello guys, I'm G.
As we ascend to a bigger perspective, I want to talk about the social sciences' relevance to our lives. As you know, we recognize social sciences as a key player for the foundation and advancement of knowledge through a variety of disciplines and topics. So, as a humanities and social science student, how deep is your understanding for the subject?
We all know that it includes a diverse range of disciplines na tumutukoy sa complexities of human existence, society, culture, between individuals and the environments. For me kasi, not only it comprehends our past, but also our present, and of course, most especially is the possible futures.
So for me naman, social science refers to a realistic course of study that is concerned with different aspects of life of an individual within the group of society. Humanities refers to a branch of learning which covers fields like arts, classic, philosophy, history, anthropology, and many more.
Also, to add social sciences to analyze, explain, and possibly predict and produce new knowledge of factual information, it primarily focuses on the scientific study of human behavior, societies, and social relationships, while humanities naman on the other hand is to better appreciate the meaning and purpose of the human experience, to explore the human culture, creativity, and also the expression.
Ayan, well said. As you know, our society is divided into sectors, and those sectors are important in helping keep the foundation of our community. So, could you elaborate these sectors?
The first one is yung government sector, which exists primarily for the purpose of providing structure to a society. It is also responsible for making and enforcing laws under which we live.
So, yes, while in the business sector in our society as a distinct focused on meaning profit, ang difference naman ito is non-profit organization are not interested in making profit but merely breaking even their endeavors.
And for the last is yung family or the household sector. This is primarily concerned with a well-being of the members of the household. This is the most important sector of the society.
That's true. Yung family sector is nagda-drive ng business sector natin. It nagpa-pressure ng governmental sector and it influences the non-profit sector.
So that's why it is necessary to know the ninth discipline of social sciences.
We have the anthropology, which is the study of the ancient societies and cultural traditions. This is a somewhat the same sa history or yung records and explains the past events. This is necessarily kasi it allows to recognize and reflect on our past through the artifacts, the traditions, and experiences, and so much more.
So with this, meron tayong sociology, systematic study of human interaction, patterns, and also geography, analysis of interaction between the environment and people. So, demography is study of human population.
And yes, for our last four naman is yung political science, which is the analysis of politics, the power, and yung governance. Psychology, which is the study of mental processes. Economics, study for research allocation to meet the human needs and wants. For the last one is yung linguistic or yung study of human language.
Yes, each discipline from anthropology to sociology remains highly relevant today by providing essential insights and tools to understand and address our modern challenges. So, together, these disciplines contribute to shaping public discourse, addressing pressing issues, and advancing our understanding of our complex world. So, dahil nga both we have successfully discussed the topics, I think both of you are well aware of the subject. So, do you know how it started?
As far as I know kasi, it began in the roots of the ancient philosophy. Yung emergence ng social science was shaped by a moral philosophy of the era and influenced by the revolutionary periods like the Industrial Revolution and yung French Revolution.
So, these disciplines involve from scientific principle or systematic knowledge aiming to address social challenges and improve the interaction with human societies.
In some way, medyo same siya sa natural science, which involves describing, predicting, and understanding natural phenomena. So, primarily through observation and empirical evidence. So, ang two main subjects of these are life science and physical science.
I can see kung bakit medyo siya related sa life science kasi life science examines the life and it's entirely compassing the past and present forms including the plants, the animals, the viruses, bacteria, single-celled organisms, and most especially the cells. On the other hand naman is yung physical science, which means a systematically investigates the organic realm, distinct from biological science, which focuses on the organic world.
Yes, kasi social science and natural science both employs the scientific model in order to gain information.
And also, the truest of both science are tested through experimental validation of theoretical statement and general position. This process aims to yield reliable conclusion or insight. The typical method employed in science involves repetitive conventional laboratory experiment.
As we conclude today's podcast, let's remember the profound impact of social science on our understanding of the world. From unraveling the complexities of human behavior to guiding policy decision, social sciences continue to shape our society and drive positive change. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we look forward to see you guys for the next episode. Bye!